we had a Phase IIa study with 12 patients over 12 months of dosing. So we had every 3 months, patient came to the clinic for evaluation, and we also took blood for biomarker sampling. And so what we can say that when we, and this was an open label study, meaning we didn't have a placebo arm. So basically when we reached the end of the study, we saw a very interesting trend in terms of ALSFRS-R and also FVC. And we wanted to see, how that can really be quantified. So what we have done is to compare our patient from the clinical study to match patient from the PROACT database. So we use propensity matching for that. And I'm not sure if you or the audience are familiar with the PROACT database, but it's a huge database with over 10,000 of patients. So we were able to find the best apples to our apples. And when we compare them, what we saw is actually 18% effect on the ALSFRS-R, which is the functional rating scale. And that is the classical kind of measurement and the gold standard in terms of approval. And we also saw a 30% effect on the functional, on the respiratory function. So this is very meaningful because basically we know that, this is something crucial for the patient, and eventually patient die because of respiratory failure. So we were very encouraged about these two results. And when we combine these results together with the finding that we saw in the biomarker study that I was telling you about, seeing a significant reduction with TDP-43 and also with prostaglandin 2 with 15 patients, it was amazing. I mean, we didn't expect to see a significant reduction with such a small number of patients, but it was really strong. And that's actually led us to actually proceed with these biomarkers, as I said, as a primary endpoint for the current study for Paradigm, which is a Phase IIb study with 69 patients and multicenter double-blind study. So we have 6 months of double blinding, and then we have 12 months of open label extension. And I think that it's going to be very exciting